Hey, welcome to my review of SellerSpot. I've been working with SellerSpot for a few years now, and I refer a lot of people to their services of buying and selling Amazon accounts. And successfully, we've done many deals. I believe at this point, over 10 deals of buying and selling Amazon accounts. So the guys are legit. Myself, I'm an Amazon seller. Great to meet you. And I've been working with SellerSpot, and I can definitely truly say that they deliver. And thanks to them. So they help buy and sell Amazon seller accounts. Also, they help buy and sell Amazon businesses. And also, Omer from SellerSpot helped me with some legal stuff on Amazon. So Omer is a lawyer, and he helps with all sorts of things that might happen on Amazon. So this is something else that SellerSpot were helpful with, and I'm really grateful for. And I would recommend you working with them. Yep. Have a great day.